Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale. I am a full-time boutique owner, part-time reseller, and on this channel I am going to teach you guys how to sell ordinary items that you can find anywhere or even around your house to make a part or even full-time income on mainly eBay. I do sell on ThreadUp, but that will be another video. I'm going to teach you guys how to sell handbags and shoes for big money on there. So stay tuned for that video. We are doing a what sold video today, and it's going to be kind of a compilation of a couple of days because we didn't sell very much within the past 2 days. It's been pretty slow, so I'll probably cut in with a different outfit in another day or two and do another what sold as well. But since we shipped out last on Tuesday, it is now Thursday, and we have 4 items that sold. So the first item I actually forgot to grab. Actually, the 4 items, before I go into that, the 4 items that we sold, it is $121.01. That's pretty good. So I'm a fan. The Lululemon leggings are to thank for that. We'll get into that in just a second. But the first thing that sold is this X-Files first season DVD. It only sold for $7 shipped. So not big money there. It was part of my DVD lot that I bought. So I'm glad that we are getting one of those out of my inventory. It only cost about $3.19 to ship that. So that's about a $3 profit after fees. I also sold, so I did a high bid auction lot where I bought all of these postcards. They're like vintage postcards. Most of them were unused. I did lot up the ones that all came from the same area, but there were a few just like stragglers. I think there was about 50 postcards in that lot, and I did get them all listed yesterday. This sold for a whole $3. So sold for a whole $3 shipped. It'll be super cheap to ship this, so that's fine with me. If I sell 50 cards at only $3 a piece, that is $150, and I paid $7 for the whole lot. So that's pretty good for me. So that will be shipped in just like a little envelope, and that'll work out just fine. And that's also just an Iowa postcard. So it's not a exciting place. Here we live in the Midwest. So that sold in less than 24 hours. So I was very surprised with that, actually. My next item were these Lululemon. They're called the Manifesto Wonder Under leggings in a size 12. They're this pattern. These look like they have never been worn. I was struggling to keep these because I love Lululemon and I am a size 12 in all of their stuff. But when things look like very brand new, it is so hard for me to keep them because I know that there is resale value. So, I definitely did not want to ruin these. I looked them up when I bought them, and it said that they were selling for like $120. I listed them for that. I had absolutely no interest until I turned my store back on best offer. I've had these for probably 8 months with absolutely no interest at all. No offers, no nothing, no messages, anything. So when I turned offers back on recently and somebody had offered me $60 plus I think $8 shipping, yeah, the buyer is $68.59 all in. I went ahead and took that because I didn't know if there was going to be anybody else that would want to buy these anytime soon. I have kind of a love-hate relationship with Lululemon. I love to wear it, but sometimes the pieces just sit for me. But anyway, it's the Manifesto print, which I know is super duper popular. So I hope the person that bought this loves them. And then the very last item that I sold is an Angel Care movement and sound baby monitor. So I got this at the half off day on the JBF sale. So it has the movement pad that you put under the mattress, and then a couple of these monitors, and I think there's another piece too as well. All I did was plug this in, make sure everything turned on, and even some of the parts were even still in the packaging, so I was very confident that this would work. So I went ahead and just listed it as pre-owned, and it sold in less than 24 hours for full price, which was $30 plus shipping. So the buyer is $40.65 all in, and I only paid like $5 for the whole thing on half off day. So that's pretty good for me for a profit. And also, like, the screen is kind of cracked on one of them. They all still work perfectly fine, but like, this is not in perfect condition. So if it looked new, I probably could have gotten way more for it. But don't be scared of baby monitors, things like that, because they do sell very well. Okay, it's the very next day from the last cut, and we sold 2 more items. I did mention the first item in the last cut of the video, but I pulled it today to ship, so I will go over it. So we sold this X-Files, I think it's season 1, yep, complete first season DVD. It sold for $7 and free shipping, so it was part of my DVD lot. So I'm just slowly but surely selling off all of these. I'm not sure I'm gonna pick up DVDs again, as I have said in the past, but it does keep your store going when these little items sell. So it'll only cost about $3 to ship that out, so about a $3 profit. And the next item, eBay has been a little bit slow. One of the good things about, I don't cross list anymore just because it is just too much for me to handle at this moment in my life. I'm a mom to 2 kids under 4. I have a full-time job as a boutique owner, and I do this very part-time. So, I had been selling things on eBay, not forgetting to take them off of the other platforms. I did have List Perfectly as well, and I just could not keep up with it still. Even with the awesome button that they had to delist everything, I just could not keep up with it. So I went ahead and unsubscribed to that. If I was full-time, I would be utilizing the crap out of that. It's a great product. So if you're full-time, definitely recommend. But as I was saying, eBay's been a little bit slow. I do sell on ThreadUp, and that video is coming where I'm going to show you how I sell handbags and shoes, mainly with the new rules. So I only sold 2 things today, but I sold 2 handbags on there, and the payout was like $188, I believe. So that's a good profit there, and it's great to diversify your platforms to ones, you know, that work for you. So if one's slow, the other one can pick up the slack. So I'm not too worried about it. This one is a Hannah Anderson pink Giraffe organic cotton pajamas. These are, the regular price is around, I think, $35 or $38 for these. They are always on sale, which I've learned. So I'm gonna try to not pick up just the regular Hannah Anderson pajamas and do like the limited edition ones. Like if you find like the Grinch ones, certain patterns were only limited edition and they don't make them anymore. So those can be highly sought after. This one's just a regular one, and it's a 0 to 6 month size. So it sold for $15 plus shipping. So the buyer is $21.44 all in. This took probably 8 months to sell. It took quite a bit to sell, but no measurements, just take a picture of the front and the back and the tag, and you are good to go. And it's super easy to ship as well. So that is what I have for shipping for you guys for during the week. It is now Friday. What is today? January 7th, I believe. And these 2 items sold yesterday on the 6th. Anything that sells from now on after till Monday gets shipped out on Monday. I don't ship on the weekends. It's just way too hectic for me. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more content. So like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys later.